One car, one coin.
No!
I don't have money.
No money, no cars.
Why are you so sad, Mark?
I need a coin to buy a car.
Okay, if you need coin, you should help me.
Yeah, okay.
I want something to eat.
No problem. It's for you, Mark.
Oh, thank you, Mark. It's your coin, Mark.
Cool.
Oh, thank you, Mark. I need one more coin.
Okay.
Okay. Yay! Red!
Good job, Mark.
Mama, I want one more coin.
Okay, get to care my dog.
Hello.
Mama, here's your dog.
Oh, good job. Thank you for it.
Thank you.
Awesome!
Mom,
What?
Oh, clean up the room, please.
Mommy, room is clean.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yeah!
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Uh-oh. Cool. Yes! Cool. What?
Why are you copying me? Why are you copying me?
Is it coffee?
Is it coffee?
I'm working, but you are not working.
I'm working, but you are not working.
Oh,
What? Okay. Okay.
There is no food.
Oops.
What? Cool.
Boring? Ew.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Cool.
It's easy.
Okay.
So big candy. It's not food. It's toy. But I want food.
No!
This is what I wanted.
Nope.
Ooh la la.
Oh, come on!
Oh, banana.
Cool. Nope. What?
It's umbrella.
What?
It's not yours. It's bread.
Okay. Oh, man!
It's not food. It's gold.